Hey everybody, welcome to Tidalwaves Studio. My name is Patrick Damiani and today I'm going to show you my custom-built plate reverb. But first of all, what actually is a plate reverb? Well, it is a big sheet of steel that is mounted under tension inside a metal frame. It works a little bit like a real loudspeaker where you have a coil attached to the plate, moving inside a magnet that is attached to the frame. And if you feed a signal into this loudspeaker, the plate vibrates and you can pick up those vibrations with contact microphones. And if you listen to those microphones, it actually sounds like the vibrations and, the reflections in a room. And you can feed that signal back to your dry signal and add some sense of reverb to your recording. I always wanted to have one of those plate reverbs, but they are hard to find in good condition and a little bit too large for what I wanted for the room that I wanted to put it in. So I decided to build one myself and learn something during the build. I will show you a couple of examples where I show you the dry signal first and then add my plate reverb to it, and I'm curious to see what you think how it sounds. Let's dive into it.
Embrace the dark and be the spark that deepens the shadows that dwell in your heart. Embrace the dark and be the spark that deepens the shadows that dwell in your heart. Embrace the dark and be the spark that deepens the shadows that dwell in your heart.
Okay, I really like the result. You cannot use it on every occasion, but sometimes it's a really nice flavor to add. I'm curious to see what you think about it. Please leave a comment if you want. And if you enjoyed the video and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you need help with your production, you find a link to Tidalwaves Studio in the description below. See you!